Spirituality is the medium which frees our mind of all emotional shackles and temptations and guides us towards enlightenment and peace. Himali Spiritual Center is the gateway to liberation from pain, misery and suffering. Here, through religion, meditation, yoga, worship and gem therapy, all troubles are treated. Himali Spiritual Center, 718-887-2929.
राम जिनका नाम है, अयोध्या जिनका धाम है, ऐसे रघुनंदन को हमारा प्रणाम है। आपको और आपके परिवार को रामनवमी की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज शेरी दत्ता once again. It's Friday 6:30 p.m. New York and I'm here in the studio with my favorite person, none other than she is Himali ji. Himali ji, namaste, welcome.
Welcome. Thank you so much.
Happy Ram Navami.
Thank you, and I want to wish everyone a very, very happy Ram Navami. You can listen why my voice is a little bad, but I didn't want to miss this opportunity to wish everyone a very, very happy Ram Navami.
So kind.
राम जी ऐसे भगवान है कि हमें सिखाया है. I speak in English. Ram ji is a Bhagwan that taught us how to be a good husband, how to be a good son, how to be a good father, a good son. So we have to learn from him. And today, all the people who fasted all these days, today is Ram Navami. I want to wish everyone a very, very happy Ram Navami, and really, really congratulations for your Navratri Vrat that you did all these days, 7-8 days to ma.
That's true. Himali ji, you are carrying such a beautiful khetri for all of us, all the viewers. Please
I don't think I've shown this. So this is how, remember the seeds that we grew?
Yes,
this is how the khetri grows. And today all of your khetri should be like this, with little white, or all green, or all white, or all yellow, or all green. This is very good, positive sign of praying and positiveness. The coconut that you kept in the khalsa, that water, you should have sprinkled it all over the house, and the rest of the coconut, wrap it up in a red cloth like this and keep it in your house for 1 year. Okay. Sorry, 6 months.
For the next Navratri?
Till next Navratri. Okay. Then put it this one in the water and keep the new one again.
Okay.
So, if your khetri has grown like this, everyone please, you will not cut it, you will tear it, and you can give this to your friend, family, your cousins, your sister, brother, sister, everybody in your friends and family home.
Okay.
Take some out, rip it out with the dirt, wrap it up in a red cloth, and keep some in your puja place and some in your kitchen up on the stove.
Okay.
And you keep this for 6 months also, till the next Navratri. Okay. Then you change it. And this is for Lakshmi ji. This gives you barakat in your house. This gives you good wealth in your house.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much for bringing this beautiful khetri.
Yeah, I wanted to show, because every year people ask me, Himali ji, how does it look like? It doesn't grow. If you grows, that means it's really, really good. If it didn't grow, it could be two simple things. Simply you didn't grow it properly, or there is some negativity in your home.
Yes.
Usually when there's a lot of negativity in the home, this khetri doesn't grow. So you must have some negativity. That's why it didn't. So you can also discuss that with me or anyone else that you know which is spiritual, and consult what you should do so that you can improve your prayers and meditations and mantras, so that the next Navratri you get a very good positive result in your khetri.
Right. Himali ji, those are really fortunate people who get an opportunity to attend the Havan, which I consider myself unfortunate, sorry to say, because it was some kind of confusion and I was fasting too. But could you please...
Yesterday we did Durga Ji Havan. It was a very beautiful Havan. It lasted over 4 hours of the Havan.
Wow.
You do each part of the Havan from Durga Ji's. Havan is so important. After any puja we do, any kind of Ghar Pravesh we do, in everything, even for your birthday. Doing Havan, we should do a program on that separately.
Okay.
But Durga Ji Havan was done yesterday on the Ashtami. A lot of people do it today, which is okay. You can do it today too on the Navami, it is done. And the Ashtami Havan is very, very powerful. We did the 13 chapters of Durga Part. Okay. And each part we put in different ahuti inside the Havan, so that Bhagwan can be pasand with us. So we remove negativity from us, and then we get positivity from it too.
Okay. Friends, this is a live program on every Friday 6:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. New York time. You can come up with one question, specifically one question with your name, your date of birth, and your place of birth. We don't have much time during the show, so I would advise you, if you are left with any question, any confusion, you can make an appointment, you can meet Himali ji in person, you can call her. Phone numbers are always on your screen. She is a spiritual healer, and she will understand your problems, and she will sort them out. That's what I feel personally.
Thank you. And
Yes.
I know it's by the grace of Ma and Bhagwan.
You are blessed, Himali ji.
No, thank you.
You are seriously, you are blessed. God bless you always. So we are going to talk about Havan in next episode.
We can talk about today simply a little bit, what
Okay.
is the very importance
Like
of
for a
Havan.
common man, how can they perform Havan if they want to do the Shuddhi?
If they simply want to do it
Purification,
themselves, they should do first, you get the Havan Kund.
Okay.
And you get the Havan Smagri,
Okay.
you get some ghee. And you can need two people in the fund. One person will put in the ghee, one person will put in the Havan Smagri.
Okay.
And the Havans are done for each different things. So let's say you've been doing your Guru Mantra. So first of the Havan you will do for Ganpati ji. He has to be the first person in the
Okay.
puja. Om Gan Ganpataye Namaha. You'll do that about 11 times, 21 times. Then you do with your mantras that your Guru has given you.
Alright.
And they're different Havans though. Now you have to know if you're doing something for the Gar Shuddhi, that's Havan is different. You will need Panditji for that. There's a lot of things to be done. If you feel like you just want to do Havan every day because of just removing negativity from your house, then you do the Guru Mantra that you did in that, and that also is done. Some people always do it on Fridays with kheer for Lakshmi ji.
Okay.
And some people also do it with sugar cane sticks for Lakshmi ji too.
Okay.
So that is also be done, Havan on that. There's different mantras for you
Yes,
have to
and
do.
also there are different kind of Havans, like Arya Samaj Havan, Vedic Havan. So which one, like?
Vedic Havan
We
is
should
the one, but all of them are good.
Okay.
But you have to do it with the proper guidance. Don't just go and do anything you saw it on internet. Now you saw a Havan saying, okay, to remove black magic from your house, do this Havan. Don't do it, because you cannot see the spirit. Some people will need to do Havan to remove the spirit.
Right.
You don't know what you see, what is happening. Just don't do it by listening. Get someone to do
Okay.
it. But if you know you have no negativity, you have no black magic, you just simply want to do Havan, you can do your Guru Mantra Havan, you can do Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri Mantra Havan is very good too.
Okay.
And that's 108 times.
Okay.
You will repeat the mantra and you will put in the ghee and then you will put in the Havan Smagri Ahutri.
Right.
But to get it, better to get it a Panditji to do it, or somebody who knows how to do the Havan, who has been doing it, you do it with that.
Okay, so definitely I'm going to ask in our
And there are
next show.
thousands of things are put in it. And that Havan Smagri, people say, oh, the smoke is bad. It's very good for you. Everywhere that the smoke goes in your house is very good.
Okay.
It's very good for your health. And I have seen it. My throat is bad because we had so much puja part running around 2 centers and
Correct,
stuff.
yes.
But I performed everything through yesterday and I'm fine today. Only a little bit of this throat. I might sound bad, but I feel great. So once you do the puja, all negativity will relieve from you. So Havan is very, very important. There's Mahakali Ji Havan, there's Durga Ji Havan, there's Baglamukhi Ma Havan. So therefore, different reason we have different Havans to do. But you have to do the part, the Vidhi first and then do the Havan.
Okay, so I would advise friends, it's better to have a person who exactly knows all those.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
It's like the same way.
Step
You
by
can
step
read
again.
there's some things you can do get medicine over the counter, and something you have to get prescription because
Correct.
the doctor knows what you need or not. You can't just go and take your friends or someone else's medicine.
Right, that's correct. So Himali ji, what horoscope says
I'll
for
tell you
this
what the
week?
horoscope says for this week. As you know, astrology and spiritual is a guidance. It tells us when is good time we should enjoy, when is bad time we should be aware. But still, at the end of the day, God is in charge, not us. Aries, this is a mixed week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be little tight. This month, you will spend a lot of money in business or expanding things, which will be good for you. Students will do well. If you are thinking of or planning a small trip, it will be good. Friends and family can visit you this week. Friday is a good day for you. Taurus, this is a good week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be good. You might spend a lot of time with friends and family that can a little bit make you annoyed. So be careful with that. If you're thinking of doing a small vacation, it is also good for you. Students will do well. Sunday is a good day for you. Gemini, this is a mixed week for you. Health-wise, you might have little problems, so need to take care of your health. Financially, you will be little tight. Mentally, you feel disturbed with friends and family. If you're doing your own business, this is a good week for you. Students will have little difficulties. Tuesday is a good day for you. Cancer, this is a good week for you. Financially, you'll be good. Health-wise, you'll be good. If you are waiting for any kind of pending work, this is the week for you. Cancer is a good time for you. If you're working for somebody, your boss will recognize your hard work, will be very pleased with you. Students will have little bit of change, need to concentrate on study, students. So please, students, concentrate on your study. Monday is a good day for you. Leo, this is a good week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be good. You might be taking some trip this week, a small trip for business. It will be beneficial for you. If you're thinking of expanding your business, this is a good time for you. Students will do well. Saturday is a good day for you. Virgo, this is a good week for you. Financially, you'll be good. Health-wise, you'll be good. If you're thinking of changing job, this is a good time for you. You might be planning to expand your business or buy a new property. This is a good time for you. Students will do well. Thursday is a good day. Libra, this is a mixed week for you. Financially, you'll be a little tight. Health-wise, you'll be good. Job-wise, you'll be good. If you're doing your own business, you will do good. If you have any pending job, this is also a very good time for you. Students will have little difficulties, Libra, so be careful on your studies. Thursday is a good day for you. Scorpio, this is a mixed week for you. Health-wise, you might have little problem. Financially, you'll be a little tight. You might be taking a trip that might benefit you this week if you're doing for business. If you are thinking of moving home, this is not a good time for you. Students will do really well. Wednesday is a good day for you. Sagittarius, this is a mixed week for you. Health-wise is good. Financially, you'll be a little tight. Mentally, you feel disturbed with friends and family. Things might delay for you a little bit, so don't worry. Things will get better. Students will do well. Saturday is a good day for you. Capricorn, this is a mixed week for you. Financially, you'll be a little tight. Health-wise, you'll be good. There is a good opportunity of opening up a new business or buying a new home for Capricorn. This is or moving place, which will be very good for them. Students will have little difficulties this week, so students, be careful. If you're a housewife, you need to take care of your health. You might have problem. Monday is a good day for you. Aquarius, this is a good week for you. Financially, you'll be good. Health-wise, you'll be good. You might be planning to go or visit somebody which can be sick or not well this week, so please be careful. Bad news. Students will do well. Thursday is a good day for you. Pisces, this is a good week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be good. Mentally, you'll be in peace. You will spend a lot of time with friends and family. Students will do well. Friday is a good day.
That was great. So friends, that was the horoscope for this week.
I want to wish everyone a very, very happy birthday. This is the Aries. This is Surya Bhagwan takes birth in Aries, and his home is in Leo. So Aries people are very sensitive, very emotional people. They work very hard, very family oriented, and they take quick decision in life. So they take risk. So slow down on taking risk.
Okay, yes, true. Himali ji, there is a question for you. Two people who are born on the same day but they live separately. I mean, they are friends, they are born on the same day and they have the same horoscope, but they don't have the same life. They don't have the same fortune. That's why
I sometimes tell people I need to see the picture of them.
Okay.
Because you can have the same name initials like Ram or Ravan. Mm-hmm. They have the same R and same Rashi.
Right.
And you can have someone, even twins are born on the same day and two different destiny. When you get a spiritual reading, it's totally different.
Okay.
Astrology will read up to, everything is up to 90%, 80%, 99%, nothing is 100%. So you have to see, why is it the place where they were born? because every degree also changes the person's destiny too. So a child could be born in New York at this time, and the same time a child could be born in California or Texas. It's going to have two different, because of the latitude which has changed. So you have to see with the place of birth, the time of birth, and the date of birth. Even within the 5 minute, the gra changes, the planet changes.
Okay. Let me take the call. Hello, ITV Live.
Hello.
Hello.
Can I speak to Himani ji?
Hello.
Hi Himani ji, I have two questions regarding the Navratri Puja.
Sure.
One, my Khatri didn't come out fully, but I have few of them grown. So is that a good thing, or you just said it should be full?
It's not full like this, correct? So did you put in a lot of water?
Didn't put too much of water, but just 5 of them, or just sprouted 5 of them, not the whole entire container.
Okay, usually what I'll tell you, if you can tell me your name and date of birth?
My date of birth?
No, that's okay. What I will tell you, usually when the Khetri doesn't grow, it's either जैसे आपने ठीक से पूजा नहीं किए होंगे या कोई नेगेटिव चीज है आपकी घर में, and you probably, but you should not be discouraged for that. You should continue lighting the ghee diya like this and continue doing the mantra Aim Harim Kalim Chamundai Viche, and do it again, because sometimes some energy is in the house which is no good, so we doesn't let it grow. But will something bad happen to you? No. As long as it was growing away, nothing bad will happen.
Okay, okay. And the puja started on 8th and it's going to end this Sunday, right?
No, the puja started on last week Friday. So today, today is Ramnami, today is
today?
Yes, today ended.
Okay, okay.
So when did you grow your Khetri? When did you grow it?
Hello, ITV Live.
Yeah, hi. Can I talk to Himali ji?
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Yes, you can lower down the TV volume and speak to Himali.
Can I talk to Himali ji?
Yes, Behan, I'm listening. What is your name?
Yeah, hi Himali ji. मैं अपने बारे में पूछना चाहती हूँ. मुझे बहुत बोन प्रॉब्लम है, दर्द रहता है. उसके लिए कौन सा पूजा करें, क्या करें जो थोड़ा रिलीफ मिले?
ओके, आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम चंदा चौधरी है.
चंद्रा चौधरी. आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है बहन?
What is your date of birth?
Date of birth is November 14, 1964.
कहाँ का जन्म है?
वाराणसी, इलाहाबाद,
वाराणसी,
इंडिया.
आपकी बहन हेल्थ काफी दिनों से खराब है. ठीक होता है फिर खराब होता है, ठीक होता है खराब होता है, करेक्ट?
क्या होता है?
Your health stays is been bad for a very long time, and this thing been going in for a long time.
Yes, very long time, 10 years.
10 years, and this is not natural, Behan. This is something unnatural, like somebody do something to you. This is the reason why you're having health problem.
तो उसके लिए क्या करना होगा?
आप इसके लिए एक स्पिरिचुअल माताजी की विधि करना होगा. You have to do it.
नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है, क्या करना होगा?
हाँ जी, हिमाली जी बोल रहे हैं कि आपको स्पिरिचुअली एक विधि करनी होगी. हिमाली जी, isn't it better अगर ये आपको सेंटर में कॉल करें और आप ठीक से बता सको?
Yes, she can call me and then I can tell her what she needs to do.
Right.
That will help her and benefit her, because till she doesn't do that, her health is not going to get good. And you did try to get little spiritual help. It helped you little bit, but it hasn't been removed from you. This negative things been calm, like shanti किया गया है, but remove नहीं किया है. So she can call me and I will tell you what you need to do so you can remove this negativity. But till you don't call me, you can do Monday fast and do Om Shivaya Namah jap as much as possible, and that will help you. but you need to come and see me or see a spiritual person who can remove this negative thing so she can get healthy. She's very young. She's not an old lady, but her problem is spiritual.
Okay, did you get that? आई थिंक उन्होंने शायद टीवी पे सुन लिया होगा. आपको स्पिरिचुअल हेल्प की ज़रूरत है. उसके लिए आप जो है सोमवार का व्रत रख लीजिए और ओम नमः शिवाय का जो है वो आप पाठ कीजिए जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो सकता है, जब तक कि आपको हिमालय जी से पर्सनली मिलने का मौका नहीं मिलता या जब भी आपको टाइम लगता है, तब तक आप ये सोमवार के व्रत और ओम नमः शिवाय का पाठ कीजिए. हेलो ITV लाइव.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, how can we help you?
Sita Ram, how are you?
Good, good, Sitaram. Happy Ram Navami.
I'm calling about my son. His name is Tejo.
Uh-huh.
I have a problem with him that he's problem to find someone to get married. He's 31 years old.
What's his date of birth?
His date of birth is 3/11/85.
March 11,
3
Yeah.
March 11/85.
1985. And where was he born?
Huh?
Where was he born?
I can't hear you.
Where was he born? His
When he was born?
Where was he born? Birthplace.
Do you know, do you remember?
New York. Sorry.
Okay.
New York, Queens?
Yes, New York.
Okay, this boy is very, very stubborn. He's good, but he does what he wants. He listens to everybody and he does what he wants. There was one time, 27, 28, he was about to get married or in a strong relationship and it didn't work out.
Can you
Hello?
hear us?
Can you hear me?
I can hardly hear you. I don't know why.
Okay.
Okay, this is what I'm saying. At the age when this boy was 27, 28, he was in a strong relationship or some engagement, something, he was going to get married and then it didn't work out.
No, he never married.
No, I know he
not
never married.
To meet, you're meeting people, but they're not staying. They're just coming and going. They're
Yes.
coming and going. So
Coming and going, and this been happening to him for a long time. And you need to do some puja for him to get married because somebody do something and stop him. And you as a mother, you feel that something is not right with him because he's very
But is it something to him?
yeah.
Oh my God.
That's why he cannot stay in a relationship for too long. He's a very intelligent, very good person. But always relationship doesn't stay. It breaks up after a while. So whenever you have time, you bring me his picture. I will tell you what you need to do for him. Or you go to,
Okay.
so then we
So,
clear that, then he
okay.
definitely get married. His marriage time was at the age of 28 years old. उसका शादी का योग 28 की एज में था.
Okay.
So whenever you have time, you come.
Okay. ITV live.
Calva Creta, let me hear. Let me see them people protect me.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, how can we help you?
Hello, Pranam Himalaji.
हाँ प्रणाम राम राम
Sitaram.
सीताराम.
Yeah. I'm calling to ask about my son.
What is your son's name?
My son name is Harinandan.
Harinandan. And what is Harinandan's date of birth?
Harinandan. 21st of October 1962.
19.
62.
And where was he born?
And where was he born?
In Guyana.
What would you like to ask about him?
Yeah, I have one question to ask about him. I apply for him in immigration. I'm a citizen over here, and I apply for him, and it took a very long time, and his papers in there about 8 to 10 years now, and I can't see why he can't get through to come.
He will definitely come. The time that I see for good starting for him will be from October 2017, next year. Almost 1 year you have to wait, and after that his paperwork, and he will be definitely here. If you can get him to wear a very good quality ruby, it will really help him, because he gets a lot of discredit in life. He worked very hard, but his appreciation is little. So you get him to wear a very good quality ruby, and next year he'll be coming.
Hello, ITV Live. Again, I'm requesting you to lower down your TV volume so that...
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you, sir. How can we help you? What is your question?
Hello.
Yes, you have to lower your TV volume and
मैंने
speak.
हेलो कर दिया, मेरा नंबर तो आएगा ही नहीं.
Yes, friends. I think they should lower the TV volume. फ़ोन पे आप जब फ़ोन मिला लेते हैं तो टीवी की आवाज़ बंद कर दीजिए, क्योंकि यहाँ से आप तक आवाज़ जाने में जो कुछ सेकंड्स लग जाते हैं, वो टाइम हम लोगों का बचेगा, और आप जैसे ही आपकी फ़ोन पे हेलो होती है आप हमसे बात कर सकते हैं. जी हिमालय जी. तो
I would like to let people know that everybody celebrates Ram Navami, but Ram Navami, Ram Bhagwan, what he did for his family, that's what we need to do. That's what he taught us to do, how to be a good father, how to be a good son, how to be a good husband.
Yes.
And I asked all viewers, their brothers and sisters, viewers, friends, family, anyone out there, be first a good son, a good human being. Be a good son. Take care of your parents, which I urge every children to do. Your first Bhagwan in your life is your parents. If you do not take care of your elderly parents, you leave them, and you do good for the world, you will still get little appreciation. Bhagwan said, take care of your home first. Take care of your elderly parents. A lot of our people do not take care of our parents, and that is very, very sad. Those parents take care of you from the day you were born, and they took out many nights just to take care of you, and suffered and sacrificed so much so that you could have a better life. So I urge all of you, please be a good son and a good daughter, even daughters too. Be a good daughter to your parents this Ram Navami, and I want to wish everyone a very, very happy Ram Navami.